Hi everyone and welcome back to you, or welcome to you on the Moonchart channel. It's a pleasure to record that video today. I'm going to update Bitcoin for you. As always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to turn on notification if you want to get noticed for future video and futures update. We got a perfect bounce in the previous days of the first target of that move down. I just gave you a perfect exact price of the bounce. That was pretty insane, and this is why Elliott Waves are just crazy to learn and to apply on the real chart. This is why you can see by yourself how it's working like perfectly. And even if we drop from here, we took profit already, stop loss on entry, we don't care, trade is safe now, okay? Everything is good. So we are going to talk about this waves here today. What we have done exactly the same exactly what we have done and what I predicted yesterday. An impulsive to the upside. We are going to place it on the chart. But yeah, before to start, as always, we have a Moonchart website where I'm going to teach you. If you want to learn Elliott Wave, this is the right place. I'm going to be here to assist you. I'm going to be here to answer your question. You're going to get a lot of content on Elliott Wave, some Elliott Wave cards where you're going to get a summary of every single patterns with every single tips, every single target, every single retracement. You're going to get some videos on every single patterns, on every Elliott Wave thing you have to know with my knowledge, with my experience. So if you want to join us, you just have to go on the Moonchart website here. Check out every information right there. You can get absolutely everything. If you want to go on the about page, you're going to get every information on me, every information on Mooncharts, why I created Mooncharts. You're going to get absolutely everything. If you want to get some testimonials, some reviews, you can go in the testimonials channel. And if you want to upgrade, you can join us for free. This is just a Discord server, so you can join absolutely for free. This is absolutely free. And you're going to be able to get some updates. You can also ask me some questions on the Discord server. Oh, okay. Don't know what's happening, but anyway, you can do absolutely whatever you want, okay? Just if you want to learn Elliott Wave, this is the right place. Anyway, let's start with this Bitcoin market update. So here, what we have done exactly, I'm gonna go on lower time frame here. So on the 1 minute, yesterday I drew you this wave 1, 2 first of all, and this is what we want to see if we are in this bigger wave 3, because keep in mind that I'm going to just go on a bigger time frame here. If we are in these waves here, okay, want A, B, and C here, a flat, okay. So we have every single possible stop. By the way, I'm going to remove that and maybe remove this. Oh no. So if we're in this C wave, we have to get an impulsive or an ending here. So possibly in that case, an A, B, C. In that case, a bigger wave 1, then a bigger wave 2, then a bigger wave 3, then a bigger wave 4, then a bigger wave 5. Okay. If we're not in this ending, we're going to get an impulsive. So in that case, a wave 1, 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, but an impulsive. So a wave 3 really bigger than this. Okay, really higher. Then a wave 4, and then a wave 5. Already, so targets what we can reach here, so just watch at previous update if you want to see that. If you want to see how we can predict these targets and how we can predict these moves here, you can just watch at previous update too. We went exactly, I drew you exactly this in front of you. I give you my explanation on that. So if you want to know how to do that, just watch at the previous update. And if you want to learn more, as always, there is a Moonchart website in the description. So here, since yesterday, what we have done here, we have just done an impulsive, exactly what I was saying yesterday, okay? 1, 2 here, what I drew yesterday, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 here. Okay, so now if you watch at targets, what we have done here, exactly what I told you yesterday. What I was expecting here is to go minimum to the 161 point for the wave 3. Guess where we stop it for this wave 3 on the 161 point, a bit higher. As always, it must, sometimes it's never well exactly touch it on the exact price. It can be, but it's a zone, around the 161 point. So this is exactly what we have done here. Then the retracement and then the push to the upside with a 100% target, a bit less. It depends if you push that. There's two possibilities, that you put that wave 3 here. In that case, the retracement also is valid because we have done a perfect 38 point retracement. If you add your retracement tool here, I was expecting yesterday a 38.2 after the wave 3, so we can play that here. But the problem is the 123 of the extension tool is tapped here, and normally we don't tap that one on the wave 5. Now this is possible, and moreover this, I don't really like this 1, 2, 3. There is only really triple wave to the upside, so I don't really like that. Now it's really up to you how you want to place it. Okay, I would prefer to place it like that in that case. Perfect. And then we will have tapped the 618. Okay, so not perfectly, but this is the first target, and as you can see, that will not be a double top or a truncated. So that's the first target in that case. If we have done this 5 ways, now we are in a wave 2, and if we are in a, if we are first of all in a wave 1 to here, we have done the low, we have to get a 5 wave impulsive start to say yes, we are going to do a bigger wave 1, 2 after this, because inside an impulsive we have to get here 5 waves. Okay, so a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, 4, 5 extra to finish that wave 3. Okay, so we are maybe going to do a bigger after that wave 1, 2, another one, okay, to push after this higher. But yeah, for now this is what we have, so I'm just going to update what we have at the moment. Okay, so here yesterday with VIPs, I gave on the Discord server, I gave some different targets here. First of all, it was around this low here. That was a really nice level here because we got some confidence with this target. So that was a 50% here. Now I say also that we got the 618 66%. I mean, if you just watch at this, if we go more down, possibly the 618 66%, but we don't have a lot of confidence. So confidence is when you have some other levels in addition to this level, for example, a daily level, a weekly level, a monthly level, levels like that, for example, or some other complex level. But yeah, so we don't have a lot of confidence with that, so let's hope for it to hold. Okay, but that was the second possible support here, and guess where we bounce exactly on that support level. Okay, you can just see that here, 618 66%, we just bounced off that level absolutely perfectly. So yeah, that's really nice, and that can give you some really nice long entries, for example. So anyway, now we have bounced right between the 50 61.8, where we have 73% chance to go in a wave 2. Okay, in a wave 2 we have 73% chance to retrace between the 50 and the 61.8 retracement. So here now let's take the case that we have done the low, okay, and we are going to do the wave 3. So now what we want to see exactly here is, I'm going to go on the bigger time frame to place the extension tool, gonna be easier for me. Now to confirm that we are in these waves, by the way, I'm just going to go back on low time frame here. What we have done is, what we have done here, simply a triple wave to the downside. Okay, 1, 2, 3, perfect for a wave 2. Okay, perfect for a wave 2 here. Perfect. So anyway, I'm gonna go back on the bigger time frame here, on the 1 hour maybe. Yeah, okay. So now what can we expect if we are in these 5 ways to the upside? Of course, I'm not saying that we have done the bottom. Now this is only some possible wave. What is the more likely going to happen? As always, there is no any financial advice. I'm just here to teach you Elliott Wave, to show you how to use Elliott Wave on the real chart, mainly on Bitcoin, because I'm trading most of the time Bitcoin. That's why, and only on cryptocurrency on this channel. Okay, for now. Maybe I'm going to move on stock later, but for now, no. That's not my goal at the moment. Okay. Anyway, so now what we want to see to be bullish. First of all, we don't want to see that we break the low here. If we break the low, that's not anymore a wave 1, 2, because a wave 2 cannot break the wave 1 route. Okay, this is extremely important. You cannot break a wave 1 route with a wave 2 in an impulsive, and even a leading or an ending, by the way. Now, if we are in this, what we want to see is just that the wave 3 here, we are going to push higher in that case. We are going to break the high, we are going to break this high, and we're going to break some of this high here if we are in an impulsive here. Okay, if we are in an impulsive, I want to see a price minimum on around this 161 point, so 44k, around there, a bit more down. Okay, I want to see a price that gonna go there. If not, this is not valid anymore. Okay. You have also to check the RSI. For example, here, when you have a wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, the wave 1, 2, the wave 2 cannot break the wave 1 route. For example, on the RSI, if you have a wave 1, 2 like that, most of the time it's not going to be a wave 1, 2. So if we have this on the RSI, for example, we just break the wave 1 route here. For that, the wave 1 route. If with the wave 2 here, we break the wave 1 route, this is not valid anymore. Okay. If we break on the real chart, of course, this is not valid anymore. That will be the two things I will be looking at to get the full invalidation. Or we are still in the wave 2. Okay, wave 1, 2 here, 1, 3, 5. So now, if we're in this 3, I want to see a price minimum on the 161 point. Why this target? Because we have the biggest percent chance to go there. Simply, for example, we have only 2% chance to stop before, so to the 100% here, only 2% chance. This is absolutely nothing. Now we have 40, if I remember good, it's 45% chance to go there. I have this in my PDF, but I don't remember that. I have to check. you have a 45% chance around there, of around 45, maybe 43 or 42, 45, I think. Anyway, you have a highest percent chance to go there. We can absolutely go higher than this. We have still less percent chance to go higher. 200% next target, 261 point next target, 423.6 next target. Okay, and we can do an extension in that case, break all the target and go higher than this. Now the most percent chance and the most possible target is this one, so we're going to stick to that. If we go higher, we are going to move higher the wave 3, otherwise we're going to stay here. Okay, now the wave 4 after a 50-61 point retracement, so I'm just going to go back on the 15-minute time frame here. What we have done here, you just have to add your retracement tool. For now we have done and went between the 50 and the 61 point, where we have 73% chance to bounce off. Okay, after a 50-61 point retracement on the wave 4, I just have to add your retracement, we can expect to do a 23.6 or a 38.2 retracement. Okay, so 23.6 first target, 38.2 next one. After 50-61 point, most of the time in terms of probabilities, one more time, we'll have more chance to go to the 38.2. So in that case, we're going to try it for now on the 38.2. Okay, now to find the wave 5, just have to add your extension tool to third click on the wave 4 to try it on the wave 4, and you will be able to find some target for the wave 5. First target 618. Okay, the first target, if this is a double top or a truncated wave, so truncated is, for example, here, if that will be a 618 here, so 618 will be before the wave 3 top, so in that case that will be a truncated. A truncated and a double top are less common to do in Elliott Waves, so we have to think about the next target. The next target is a 100%. Now should we push higher? Normally we should push higher because we have to reach this wave 3 top right there. It depends if we are in a 1, 2, 3, or if you are in an A, B, C zigzag. Okay, 5 waves, triple wave 5. In that case, we're after this going to do a bigger wave 1, a bigger wave 2, a bigger wave 3, extra. That will give us an ending here. But yeah, this is not what we have to think about directly. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, or 5 here. The wave 5, if we go higher than the 100%, we have the 161.8. Then we have the 261 point maximum target. Okay, so yeah, that will be every single target for this impulsive wave here. 100% most common one. So yeah, for now we just have to wait and see what happened here. But if we push to the upside right here and break all of the high, okay, right here, all of this high, this high, this high, that would mean that we are just changing the market structure here. Okay, and if we change the market structure, it will change to bullish. At the moment it's more bearish. We keep doing lower low. Okay, with that low here, I mean, I'm going to do it like that. We have a low, we do a low low. I mean, here we do a lower low, we do next a lower low, we do next a lower low, we have a high, we do a low high, we do a low high. So from now it's more bearish. Okay, now if we start to change that to push higher and break some highs here, for example, and do make a low higher than the previous one, this is going to change the market structure. In that case, we can say that we are more likely going to do these waves and we are more likely going to be bullish here. Okay, so that's all for today. Nothing really to update. Gave you absolutely everything yesterday with the impulsive Elliott wave, with the exact impulsive Elliott wave, what we was looking for here. So I gave you 2 days ago the exact target of that move, the 2 possible target, but that one was exactly tapped. And now this is what we can expect here. If we don't do that and if we break the low, keep in mind we still have one more target a bit more down. Now if we go more down and break the big low we have formed it here, we can expect something else, but I'm not going to go through that on this video. Okay, it's gonna be too long otherwise. Anyway, so hope you enjoyed. As always, you have the Moonchart website in the description of this video if you want to learn Elliott Wave, because you're not going to be able to be profitable, to become profitable, if you do not learn a technical analysis. I'm not saying that you have to learn Elliott Wave, because there is many possibilities, but Elliott Wave, I mean possible technical analysis, but Elliott Waves are one of the most useful technical analysis, because you're going to be able to predict waves, you're going to be able to trade waves, you're going to be able to predict possible stop for a top, you're going to be able to predict possible stop for a bottom, you are going to be able to predict a lot of things thanks to Elliott Waves. So if you want to learn them good, you have the website just right below in the description. You just go in plans and you see which one you prefer. Now, hope you enjoyed this market update on Bitcoin. If you, as always, don't forget to smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to get noticed for future videos, don't forget to turn on notifications. Enjoy the profits. Hope you did nice gains. Don't forget to take profits, and yeah, have a nice day. See you tomorrow maybe. Cheers.